Welcome to our video on the fascinating world of honeybees. Honeybee.
Honeybees are truly incredible creatures that play a vital role in our ecosystem.
Did you know that honeybees are one of the most important pollinators in the world?
There are about 20,000 species of bees, but only 7 species of honeybees.
A single honeybee can visit between 50 and 100 flowers during a single trip.
Honeybees have 5 eyes, 2 large compound eyes and 3 smaller simple eyes.
A worker bee only lives for about 5 to 6 weeks, during which she will produce 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey.
Bees communicate with each other through a series of movements known as the waggle dance. This dance helps them convey information about the location of food sources. The queen bee is the largest bee in the hive and is the only one that lays eggs.
A queen bee can live for up to 5 years under favorable conditions.
Each hive consists of 3 types of bees: the queen, worker bees, and drones.
Drones are male bees whose primary purpose is to mate with a queen from another hive.
Worker bees are all female and perform all the essential tasks for the hive, including foraging for nectar and pollen, feeding the larvae, and protecting the hive.
Honeybees use their antennae to smell and their legs to taste.
Honey never spoils because it has natural preservatives. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible.
Bees maintain a hive temperature of around 93 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius, to ensure the development of larvae. A bee's wings beat about 200 times per second, creating their iconic buzzing sound.
Honeybees are the only insect that produces food eaten by humans.
A single hive can contain up to 60,000 bees during peak season.
Honeybees can fly at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, 24 kilometers per hour.
The color blue seems to attract bees more than any other color.
Bees can recognize human faces, which helps them identify potential threats.
To produce 1 pound of honey, bees need to visit approximately 2 million flowers.
Honeybees have a unique ability to create perfect hexagonal honeycombs. Bees can communicate with their hive to warn about predators, such as bears or humans.
Honeybees learn to avoid flowers that have already been visited by following the scent marks left behind. Honey has antibacterial properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for wounds and burns.
Honeybees have been around for thousands of years. Their fossils date back to 30 million years ago.
A honeybee colony is considered a superorganism, where each bee functions as part of a collective whole. Honeybees use propolis, a sticky substance they produce, to seal small gaps in their hive.
In winter, bees cluster together to keep warm, vibrating their bodies to generate heat.
The honeybee's stinger is barbed and can only be used once, after which the bee dies.
Beekeeping, also known as apiculture, has been practiced by humans for thousands of years.
Albert Einstein allegedly said, "If the bee disappeared off the surface of the globe, man would have only 4 years left to live."
Honeybees can travel up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers, from their hive in search of food.
They have a highly developed sense of smell and can detect scents up to a mile away.
Royal jelly, a substance fed to future queen bees, is said to have numerous health benefits for humans.
Honeybees have a unique way of dealing with intruders, including wrapping them in a ball to overheat them.
Bees' vision is sensitive to ultraviolet light, which helps them locate flowers more efficiently.
Despite their importance, honeybee populations have been declining due to factors like pesticides, habitat loss, and diseases.
Supporting honeybee conservation through practices such as planting bee-friendly plants can make a big difference.
Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of honeybees. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating facts about nature.